Aha mukorogu abatuura bashabirwa kwatanisa ahabwe ntunguka kandi no kutamana mu kurwanisa enguzi omu kyanga kyabo hamwe n'ihanga.
Ekyanga basaba tubye omwabuwuma twamayambange kikambe kiwuma tukindi singura twamayambange kikambe kiwuma twamaromwasha camps.
We must be there to ensure that you are having security. So we wish you a happy stay, and for us we shall remain around until we see that everybody has left here. So we are happy to be with you in terms of security.
Bob Kakuru oyo muhwezi wa chairman ahabwa original MK ame washabera abaturo kwetantara ebyo butegeki ebirukushorora abantu.
People sometimes they get divided along political lines and you find their brothers and sisters but eating themselves up. But MK General Hoskina Rugawa is a symbol of unity. It doesn't matter where you have been. It doesn't matter where you are now.
You know very well that corruption is a true enemy to development. It is a cancer that eats away at citizens' faith in democracy, diminishes instinct for innovation and creativity. And the vaccine for all that is General Hoskina Rugawa.
Abahendiro bakutongoza muhozikini rugaba ngo ayesimbe 2026 ahabwa mukuru w'ihanga gashaka Gilbert Muhanguzo mu Kasese.